All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. In today's video, we linking up with a cool company I came across called the Beard Guyz. In the past, you guys might have heard me say that beards are a staple of greatness and a symbol of manhood. And over the past year, I provided you guys with a ton of beard tips, from collagen to Minoxidil. But what happens once their beard grows in? What do you do now? How do you maintain it? And if you're watching this, you obviously care about that glorious face crown of yours we call a beard, and you want to know. So that's where Beard Guyz come in, because they've created a complete beard care kit to help you maintain that luscious man-mane. So without further ado, let's hop into what they sent me. You guys know how I feel about boxes. So here's the package from Beard Guyz, and this is their Beard Care Collection. So here's the deal, the decision to grow a beard should never be taken lightly. See, with great beard comes great responsibility, and my friends over at Beard Guyz are well aware. So they've created this beard care collection based on some of nature's most finest ingredients. So before I dive into the package, here's something to consider. So no matter if you grow your beard naturally or you use the assistance of a product like Minoxidil, once you grow your beard, you have to maintain it. And beard care is the key to keeping it thriving. Let's go ahead and break this thing open. That took a really long time to hit the ground. Now, in each Beard Guyz product, they have between 25 and 35 natural oils and ingredients. Now, this is the complete collection, including the daily beard wash, the deep conditioner, beard oil, 2 beard balms, and trim scissors. Now, these were sent to me for review, but these are all available at your local Walgreens. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's super convenient. As an African-American male, I used to find it quite difficult to walk into a major retail chain and find a beard product that's good for my hair. And when I say my hair, I mean that coarse hair, like not horse hair. But the Beard Guyz have us covered because they support all hair and skin types. And the Beard Guyz regimen has you covered from A to Z. You can cleanse and soften your beard with the daily beard wash, hydrate your beard with the deep conditioner, and maintain a well-nourished beard with Beard Guyz trifecta with beard oil, beard balm, and beard butter. So let's give this beard oil a try. Now, traditionally when you do these dropper style beard oils, you want to go between 3 and 5 drops, but I just want to go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit 2. Bow, bow. Oh, that's smooth. Like, damn, it's like disappeared. That's some good beard oil. Let's just go ahead and put it in the beard. You got a nice smell to this as well. And you guys know how I feel about really grimy, sticky, greasy beard oils. This one goes on really light, and I feel like you can just wipe it off and you'll be good to go. And you can see the Beard Guyz logo on these custom scissors. Man, these are really sharp, really nice ones too. So you gotta think about this. Once your beard grows, it's inevitably, if you are brushing it and combing it daily, you might get some split ends. So you wanna make sure you use these shears to keep it trim, keep it level, and make sure you're maintaining a healthy, properly nourished beard. Now, using a complete routine like this is going to do a few things for your beard. It's going to prevent dryness, it's going to prevent that itchiness, and also prevent any irritation that typically is associated with beard growth. Now, like I said, this can be picked up at Walgreens, so next time you're in Walgreens picking up your Minoxidil, make sure you slide on over, man. Check out these Beard Guyz. So don't forget to hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys are using for your beard care routine. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that we back again. And if you my guy, my real guys, then head over to Big Guyz and tell them that I sent you. And hit the goddamn bell.